Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Today we discuss about outline of research paper. Designing a proper outline for your research paper is a typical backbreaker for students throughout the world. It takes a lot of effort and time to write a good and thorough research paper, one that successfully depicts your opinion, and manages to persuade your reader of the overall authenticity and reliability of the content. First of all, we need to understand that what is outline, why we use outline for research paper, 3 easy steps of research paper. Let's start.
What is outline? An outline is a basement of your research paper from which you build up the whole paper. Each outline consists of 3 main parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion.
Why we use outline for research paper? A research paper outline is a useful tool to aid in the writing process, providing a structure to follow with all information to be included in the paper clearly organized. A quality outline can make writing your research paper more efficient by helping to organize your thoughts. We are now all done with the prerequisites. We've found a good topic, done our research, and are ready to frame that outline. All outlines include 3 sections: introduction, body, and conclusion. Now going to a special guide to write your own research paper outline. Step 1. Introduction. Introduction includes intro, hook, who is your audience, and your statement. Introduction is the beginning and a very crucial part of all academic essays. It is the part of the thesis that the readers are going to use and determine if your thesis is worth their time. In order to write a good introduction, it should consist of these 3 points. Hook. Your hook can consist of about 1 to 5 sentences. You can use the overall length of your thesis as a guide. It should attract your readers, and therefore these sentences need to be engaging and provoking. Number 2. Your audience. We've already targeted our potential audience. However, we need to tell our readers the reason why this thesis is something they'd be interested in. Try to make it as relatable as you can. The reason why you chose them to be your reader, that's what you need to tell them here. Number 3. Give the statement now. It's time we write out that argument and its significance, in clear and precise wording. And because we want your hard work to pay off, it's highly important that the statement is written as not dull.
The main part of your research paper is called the body. To write this important part of your paper, include only relevant information, or information that gets to the point. Organize your ideas in a logical order, one that makes sense, and provide enough details, facts and examples to support the points you want to make.
The first sentence of your body should continue the transition from the end of your introduction to present your first topic. Body of research paper includes relevance, support, logical order, transition words and phrases, writing topic sentences, adding evidence. Step 3. Conclusion. The third and last part of your paper is more or less like a summary, a short version of all the main points that you've discussed in the paper. It should be concise so that the reader can digest.
Conclusions includes overview, call to action, overview. This will consist of a brief collection of all your major arguments. You don't have to go much into the details, or dare I say it, the evidence even. All you have to do here is give an idea of the arguments in your thesis. Call to action. Finally, you're at the end of your thesis. This part of the paper has to encourage your readers to respond either through discussion or by action to whatever you've selected as your last message to them.
Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand that how to write outline for research paper. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.